Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be showing you how to install and adjust the Atlas headrest on your Herman Aeron Remastered chair. We're really excited to be able to offer these Atlas headrests for the Aeron chairs. We think it's a great addition to an already great chair. So let's get started. All right, so to get started, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab this bracket here. This is going to loop over the top edge of the back of the frame. You want to make sure this is reasonably center, so I usually use the sizing pins in the back to locate this into the center. And then I just hand tighten this as far as I can, just to make sure that's kind of in place. Then we're going to take our Allen wrench and we're going to tighten this up, and so that it's snug on the back of the chair. And so just make sure you don't need to over tighten that. We just want to make sure it's not going anywhere while we do the rest of the install. And so next we're going to be taking the actual headrest portion of the chair, and we're going to be looking, there is a little arrow here that's going to be pointing upwards. We want to make sure that that locates into the bracket with the up arrow to make sure that everything is in its proper location. We're going to take one screw, and again we're going to start these by hand to make sure that we're just to get them going, and then we're going to hand tighten those as far as we can. I'm going to take another screw and do the same on the other side. After we have those hand tightened, we're going to take our Allen head again and we're going to finish the job, get these tightened up, make sure they're nice and snug. You don't need to over tighten, but make sure they're nice and snug in place and that headrest isn't going anywhere. Next, we're going to be taking the cover plate and we're going to be putting it over the top of this headrest backside, and we're going to take our last screw and it's going to go right in the center here. Again, you're going to want to start it by hand and then we can finish it with the Allen wrench. Again, don't want to over tighten, just snug it up, make sure it's all in place. And as you can see, everything seems to be working properly. And so now we'll take a quick look at how to adjust the headrest on your remastered Aeron. So now that we have the headrest installed on the chair, we want to know how to adjust the headrest. So I'm going to show you the couple of different adjustments that we have here. The couple of primary adjustments that you have is there's going to be a knob here that you loosen. It's going to allow you to adjust the height of the headrest. You can see it's going to go up and down. You can tighten that down, and that's going to lock it into place. We have a very similar adjustment where it's just a knob that you loosen. That's going to help you move this forward and backwards. And again, once you have that set in place, you can tighten that down. It's not going to move on you. The last adjustment we have is a pivot adjustment that has a built-in tension, so you don't need to worry about any adjustments there, but know that this does move up and down. And so the next thing I'm going to do is show you how I personally adjust the headrest to fit me, and you can use the same process. And what I do is I actually loosen these to a point that you can move them, but they don't fall and move on their own. So I move it so we have a little bit of adjustment room in here. Loosen that just a touch more. And then I will go and actually sit in the chair. And so you can see, I can actually move this headrest around. And I could say, all right, so this is about where I personally like the headrest. And so I've got that position set. And then I'm going to flip the chair back around, tighten these down so that they don't move. And then we have the headrests set and supportive for me, and I can actually put pressure on it, not have to worry about it moving on me. So that's how you adjust the headrest on your Herman Aeron Remastered chair. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on how to install the Atlas headrest on your Herman Aeron Remastered chair. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons below. We do have these available on our website, crandalloffice.com, for purchase, so go ahead and check those out there. If you have any questions at all, don't ever hesitate to reach out to us on our website, Facebook, anywhere you can reach us. We're always available to help. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.
Thanks for taking a quick... Golly! All right. We're going to get it sooner or later. It's coming.